The drone world is buzzing with anticipation. Whispers and leaks about DJI's next big release, the DJI Air 4, are spreading like wildfire. And fans everywhere are wondering, will this compact powerhouse redefine the skies? Or simply build upon the success of the Air 3? Welcome back to GadgetVerse, your home for the latest in tech and innovation. Today we're breaking down everything we know so far about the highly anticipated DJI Air 4, from rumored design changes to upgraded camera tech, flight performance, and more. Let's start with the design. According to early reports, the Air 4 keeps DJI's signature compact and foldable form, but with a more refined and aerodynamic body. This sleek shape could mean smoother flights, less drag, and even longer airtime, perfect for creators who chase cinematic shots in all kinds of weather. The arms are rumored to be sturdier too, offering better stability and durability for those challenging conditions. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. The DJI Air 4 might borrow some traits from the premium Mavic series, giving it that professional look and top-tier stability. If that's true, we could be looking at a drone that strikes the perfect balance, lightweight and portable like the Air lineup, yet powerful enough for professional filmmaking. When it comes to imaging, the Air 4 could take things to a whole new level. Leaks hint at a variable aperture lens, giving pilots more control over exposure, whether you're filming golden hour landscapes or nighttime cityscapes. And if DJI really includes a mechanical shutter, that would be a game changer, eliminating rolling shutter distortion and giving filmmakers crystal clear cinematic footage even during fast movements or pans. AI and flight intelligence are also getting smarter. Expect improved active track and return-to-home systems, offering more accurate tracking and safer automated flight paths. Plus, DJI's upgraded O4 transmission system could deliver a stronger, more stable signal, even in complex environments, making every flight smoother and more reliable. And yes, let's talk about battery life, one of the biggest factors for creators. The Air 3 already impressed with 46 minutes of flight time, but rumors suggest the Air 4 might stretch that up to 50 minutes. That's a huge win for filmmakers capturing long aerial sequences without constant battery swaps. In short, the DJI Air 4 looks like a smart, refined evolution, not just an upgrade. With improved design, enhanced durability, smarter flight tech, and professional-grade imaging, it could easily become the go-to drone for both beginners and seasoned pilots. While nothing is official yet, one thing's for sure, DJI is pushing the limits of what a compact drone can do. Stay tuned right here on GadgetVerse, because as soon as more leaks or official updates drop, we'll be the first to break them down for you. If you love drone tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next big reveal. The sky's about to get a lot more exciting. Description: SEO optimized, DJI Air 4 leaks, and rumors are taking over the drone community, and for good reason. From redesigned aerodynamics to improved AI tracking, better flight time, and next-level camera performance, the Air 4 could redefine what a compact drone can do. In this video, GadgetVerse dives into every detail we know so far, including design upgrades, mechanical shutter rumors, and the possible leap in flight intelligence that might set the Air 4 apart from the competition. Watch till the end to find out if the DJI Air 4 is worth the wait, and why it could be the perfect upgrade for aerial photographers and filmmakers alike. DJI Air 4. DJI leaks, your drone technology, your GadgetVerse, DJI Air 4 rumors, drone photography, cinematic drones, aerial filmmaking, your tech news.